Good morning, everybody. 8:30, first call of the day. We are about 5 minutes out. We're going to be doing heat exchangers, and because it's such a relatively big job, when we do the heat exchangers, we go ahead and update the burners, pressure switch, stuff like that. So we'll be changing those out as well. The original call was because of a noise issue. The guy's inducer motor had rusted out, and when the inducer would come on, it was just scrubbing like crazy. So of course that led me to check the heat exchangers, where we found a hole, and now we're headed to go change them out. So I'll see you when we're at the call and set up. Too tall. Right in here in this second one, we got a hole. There's part of the wheel broken off. We need that piece. And this one. Is a gasket underneath there. Okay. So here's a new gasket. All right. Get that secured in place.
Morning.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
All right.
Things happen.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Absolutely. I like to get the pipe in there first and then put my pipe dope on it. And it'll just keep things a lot cleaner. All right, got our ground, limit, pressure switch, inducers hooked up, high voltage, low voltage. All right, good deal. All right, there you have it.